So now we're looking at a quadratic expression, and let's figure out how to find the zero of it. I don't want to do the trial and error method because it's not good, it's not easy. So let's start off with algebraic method, and we can also try with formula method and graphical method. So we are looking at the first is algebraic method. So the one thing which most of you guys would have known is splitting the middle term. So let's use that. So we're looking at this expression. So when we multiply, I need 6, and when we add, I need -5. Please know that this is just introductory part. I'm not teaching you anything in detail. I'm just trying to give you an overview. So I'll teach you this method in detail when we use it once more, right? So when we multiply it, I should get 6 as per this product, and when we add it, I should get this -5. So we need two numbers which satisfy this particular condition. So what are those two numbers? Well, let's look at the factor of 6. It is 1 and 6, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 6, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3. So all these are your factors of 6. So which combination will give you this result? -3 and -2. Is it not? So let's complete the split. -3x minus 2x plus 6. Now let's figure out the common. So we have first is x, so x minus 3. In the next set of terms we have -2, so we have x minus 3. Again, I'll explain this in detail in time. So therefore again the common between these two terms is x minus 3, and you're left out with x minus 2. And the final answer is, therefore your zeros are 3 and plus 2. Okay, so if I put 3 over here, I'll get 0. If I put 2 over here, I'll get 0. And thus this expression, the value the zeros of this expression are 3 and 2. That's your algebraic method. We have a formula method too for this. So the formula being, again, this you will be seeing in different chapter, but yeah, I'm just showing. So the formula goes like this. First you have to find something called as d, which is b square minus 4ac. b being the coefficient of x, and a being the coefficient of x square, and c being the coefficient of, it's the constant actually. So b is equal to -5 in this case, a is equal to 1, and c is equal to 6, right? So it's as per the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, again, we'll be doing this in detail, need not worry that I'm going fast. So therefore d is equal to 25 minus 4 into 1 into 6. So this you'll get it as 1, right? So simple calculation. Therefore d is equal to 1. Next is, we have x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of d divided by 2a. So this is the final answer. So x is equal to -5 plus or minus square root of 1 divided by 2 into 1. So this will be 5 plus or minus 1 divided by 2. Therefore the first 0 is 5 plus 1, 6 by 2, that is 3. And the second 0 is 5 minus 1, that is 4 by 2, that is 2. And we have the two zeros, 3 and 2, same as this. Right? Quite simple. So both the methods are quite simple. Trial and error is something which we can't do at all. So last, the graphical method. So we have let me type in the expression x square minus 5x plus 6. X square is there already. So we're looking at minus 5x plus 6. Okay, that's correct. So let's execute it. And we have a graph. So Okay, I need to adjust it a bit. Where is it? Okay, that's too much of zoom in. Okay, I think it's okay if we do this also. Yeah, right. I've adjusted the graph so that you're looking at, yes, almost there. I'm missing it. Yes. So this is the line. This is your x-axis, and that's your y-axis. Yes, I'm not. I don't have x and y-axis zeros to origin to be intersecting. So this is something else altogether. But yes, we can look at the graph. It's a smiley graph. Okay. It's passing the x-axis at 2 and 3. So that's what our answer is, 2 and 3. Right? Graphically too, we got the same answer. Okay, all the three methods are quite simple, but yeah, graphically it is simple because of the programming. If not, plotting it and everything would have been difficult for a quadratic equation. Linear is easy. For quadratic, cubic and all, graphical method, it gets too complicated if you try to do it with your pen and paper. It's not practical.